Let's dive into PPC a bit.
I mean, you have an agency, so
yeah, I've got a PPC agency, so it makes sense. It's kind of like auto bids. I used to think that auto bids were just Amazon's way of like sucking all the money out of you and sucking the life out of you, but actually auto campaigns can work really, really well, and they can work really well in harmony with the manual campaigns. Especially in like USA marketplaces, much bigger marketplaces, manual campaigns can be a bit tricky. Because they can absolutely suck up the budget, and there's a lot of testing that goes on. But with the auto campaign, you can set the small budgets and just let them run. And it's more of a case of deducting or adding your products to that campaign, the auto campaign, rather than obviously removing keywords. It's just about adjusting bids up and down. So it's much more user friendly to start with. I personally would be running both of them, and then I'll be getting the auto campaigns data and all the keywords that it's ranking you for, all the products it's ranking you against. Yeah, so I would, and then the auto campaign, the data from there, I'll be scraping that and then using it towards my manual campaigns. Obviously, that's what we do.